Dang it. Oh. I'll say it. You say
Okay,
ASKGCU.
sure.
We got this.
We
Okay.
say it together, ASKGCU.
Hi, I'm Julian Oliver.
And I'm Caleb Davidson.
And this is AskGCU. So, what's the tweet today?
Today, we're wondering, how do you make friends on campus?
Yeah, so it's hashtag AskGCU. That's not right. Compliments are really good, like conversation starters to make friends. What's your name? I love the beard, dude.
Thank you.
How long did it take you to grow that out?
About a week and a half.
A week? Yes. Check us out on YouTube. You guys want to come in?
Chip.
Tip?
Chip.
Chip.
Yeah, I can
Julian.
say
I like the hair.
You got like snapper or something?
Oh, what? This is fun. You can meet a lot of friends fast in an elevator. You guys like look the same. You have the same shoes. Hey, be friends. Another great way to meet friends is in line. We're showing how easy it is to make friends around campus.
Cool.
It's really easy. Get a girl a coffee, sit down, spark some conversation. You know what I mean, bro.
So there you have it. Krista's taking selfies with Rosalie. So there you have it. That was the tweet on how to make friends around campus. I'm Julian Oliver.
And I'm Caleb Davidson.
And that's AskGCU.
I should have said it with him.
Shoot.
You want to do it again?
Tweet hashtag AskGCU to get your question featured.